Hello friends, this is Chandrakant from Akul Mac Technologies and welcome to Top Brass. Today is SOTI Wednesday, and as some of you know, SOTI stands for Speaker of the Year Award. So this Wednesday we will talk about how do you look, and let me invite my friend from London, Mr. Naval Khan. Naval, welcome to Top Brass.
Good morning, CK. SOTI Wednesday from a sunny London and a sunny India. So, as you say, we're going to focus on how you look. We've told people about the setting. We told people about where the camera is. So by now, you've all noticed where your camera is on your screen. I hope you put your finger over it, and you can always find it. Now we're just talking about how you look, because when you come over the first time, people are gonna, that's it. They make an impression. They make a distinction. They make a judgment, really, on what you look like. And as you can see, I've decided to dress up for the beach. I've got my flamingo shirt on. So you can't miss that, can you, CK?
This is very interesting, Neville. You have sort of stationary flamingos on your shirt, and whether you are wearing a beach shirt or not, I leave it to the viewers to decide. But definitely, you stand out. Definitely, it is a different shirt. It's not like a usual shirt.
And the interesting thing is, all of those listeners are going to they're either going to really like it, or they're really going to really hate it, or they're going to say, oh, well, it looks okay. But the thing is, it needs to bring out your personality. Flamingos are great because it always brings a smile to my face when I see a flamingo. Because you know how they get the colour, don't you? Because of the shrimps they eat, they're all pink. So eventually that comes into their colour. I didn't know that until a few years ago on a particular quiz that I got wrong. But it should bring out your personality, who you really are. I can see who you are, CK, you know, typical business guy, top button undone, you know, no tie, very smart casual, as we would say, you know, maybe a bit of dress down Friday going on. But it's your persona, it's how you are, and that needs to shine through on the video that you're going to create. So what do you think of that?
Neville, I think for our listeners and viewers, last week we covered how do you set up your camera, your light, and your surroundings. And this week we would like to give them little information on how do you project yourself in front of the camera. Because if you're run-of-the-mill, similar guy like me wearing a usual shirt, I'm not going to stand out in the crowd of videos that are coming out. So the whole point, Naval is trying to drive today is that, hey, stand out, wear flamingos so that you are visible. And, the content you're giving is also must be interesting because people have not yet started hearing your content. They're just seeing your camera, your light, your surroundings, and yourself. So I think the important thing is you have to dress up for that particular video, for that event. For example, if you're talking about something serious, something related to education or something related to business, then you have to dress up like a business guy or you have to dress up like a teacher. But if you're talking about something which is not related to serious matter, but you can talk about astronomy, then you can probably wear a t-shirt with a galaxy picture on it. So the whole point is that you have to set up your infrastructure in such a way that you dress up for that subject. So what do you think about this, Neville? What is your opinion?
It's absolutely right. And remember, you know, when you go for an interview, because this is not just about a short 90-second interview that we're, video that we're talking about here, it's potentially getting you ready for the interview. Your brand, the brand of me, as we call it in our programs. And you need to understand what your brand is and how you're going to portray that brand. Because just like anything else, people make an instantaneous decision as whether they like you or they don't like you. And the point is, what you want to do is make a good impression at the beginning and keep that impression going on so it improves that impression. It's not always the fact that people don't like you and then don't listen. Because although they've made a judgment at the beginning, they're human beings. If you're going to then open your mouth and they actually say, oh, I quite like this person now, shame about the shirt, you know, but then they make an explanation as to why they don't like the shirt. We're human. This is what happens. So here's an opportunity, you know, come on to the SOTI Award and practice until you're perfect. So very simple thing today, you know, show who you are, put your personality on the screen and enjoy it, you know, smile, because smiling is infectious, isn't it?
Certainly, Neville. In fact, there is one more thing which is also very, very critical for a video, because the window to the world is through this small, 12-inch by 14-inch screen. So I think I have seen some videos where people don't even groom themselves. So apart from looking and having a smiling face, I think very, very important to groom themselves, because this is like a 10 minutes window to the world. And if they are not groomed, obviously you will not look too smart for that subject. So you need to have right combination, right color shirt, or cloth which you are wearing, and also groom yourself properly. If you are a man, you have to shave before you come, and if you are a lady, you have to dress up properly for that particular video. So I think it's important, apart from having these soft skills, but also prepare for it. Prepare for wear the right color of your shirt, and also groom yourself and look, as Neville says, with a smiley face. Always have a smiley face.
Have a smiley face. So
And
simple message today, very simple message. You can only get bite-sized chunks of messages. Now you've got to do, go and practice, because practice makes perfect sometimes.
yes, Neville, in fact, next week in SOTI Wednesday, we will talk about the presentation skills. And I expect you to wear a shirt of flying flamingos, because right now the flamingos are stationary. So next week, we will probably see Neville with a real beach shirt with flying flamingos.
We'll see.
We'll see. See you tomorrow, Neville. And thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
And you. Bye-bye all.
Bye-bye.